G'day DIYers. I'm doing this toilet at the moment, so like today's Friday. It'll give time for the glue to go off and that sort of thing. The plumber is booked in for Monday afternoon to fit back the toilet. I'll have it grouted first thing Monday morning, even if it's just that area, and then you can put the toilet back. I'll just zap that now, but I want to get onto this floor as well and have this floor down today as well. Everything's going along fine. It's a beautiful tile. It's sort of the sandstone look. It's pretty snazzy, wall and floor. So yeah. Oh. Everyone's still there? Yep. I hope. Yeah. So when I click off here, hang around, because next thing I'll be doing this floor. I'll show you how I do the top tile to a strip drain. What I'm going to be doing here is taking off this architrave. I did that architrave this morning because I like a wider or a thicker profile. This stuff it's 10 mil, and so is my tile 10 mil, and then that's not allowing for glue or a bump in the wall or anything. So half the time it's flush or sticking out a little bit, and it's a cut edge, you know, like, no, it's a no-no in my book. Use a thicker profile, and then you're able to silicon up, and silicon up here, and it looks beautiful, absolute beautiful. Right, let's get these suckers up. Where are my small wedgies? I've had a bit of a run with the flu. Caught it off my son because he socialises a lot more than I do. He picked it up and bloody gave it to me. Anyway, what can you do? Bring that up a little. Oh, nice. Nice one, Charlie. Bit of paint from my bucket. I don't have to worry about my lines going the right way. In this case, I'm not in a shower area, so it doesn't matter. My lines can go any way they want. This is how you do it, DIYs. These are brilliant, these clips. God. Just adjust that up a tad. It's looking good. The beauty of this job is that there's new cornice going back on. So that's it. And then when the new cornice goes over the top, it's beautiful. Absolute beauty. I'm not having to scribe my tile to anything, so it's real good. Makes a neater job. Oh, got my clips. Yeah, this is a 6x6 tile, or in Imperial 2 foot by 2 foot. It's been a long time since I dealt in Imperial. Oh, what? Look, got a chip. I just noticed that chip. We'll put that one aside. It's something you notice when you're putting it up.